Yeah, hi, this is SY Sublime, and today I have another addition to SY Sublime. I bought a Blacktip 31-inch fillet table from West Marine today. They're on sale it was on sale for like $79. Normally they're $150, $60 or something like that. So anyway, I do have knives for it, but they're the Cuda knives I bought about a year ago. This is my Cuda knife set, fillet and bait knife, etc. This is my Cuda knife set that I bought like a year ago. So the bait knife, small bony knife, kind of a butchery knife and a fillet knife. So this is the Cuda. And then we have the sharpener as well. It's a 5-piece set, or 6-piece if you include the case. But yeah, that's the Cuda knife set that I bought. This is the Blacktip 31-inch fillet table. It also comes with a mount too. So we're going to do an unboxing. So yeah, this is just the back, and some literature on it, I guess. So let's get it unboxed. So we got the table out of the box. So it's a little bit, it's hard to get out for some reason. I don't know why. These are the drain holes, I guess. I don't know what these do. I think they're drain holes, I think. There's 3 of those, and then this is for the knives to go into. Since I use these knives. These will work. And then I'll pick my bait knife. Should be the most popular one for that there. Yeah, they don't fit very straight, but whatever. I don't know what that's for. Probably something else. I don't know, who knows. But I know that one of these will just fall through it. So. But yeah. Probably a pair of shears, or I don't know, something de-hooker or something like that. But yeah. So then there's the mount as well. Let's unpackage that. So we have the quick release mount, the nut, the bolts, and then we have a knife sharpener, which I don't know where this goes. I have to figure that out. Oh, it goes up here, like that. It goes back here. It goes right there. I'm going to put the knife sharpener on too. Let's get rid of these knives out of here. So yeah, the knife sharpener goes up here. Perfect. So we place the knife sharpener on the back side, right here. Try not to pull it apart. Gonna need 2 hands for that. I'm gonna get a screwdriver and screw this in. Okay, we got the knife sharpener put on. It's good. And then now we're gonna just put the bottom bracket on somehow. Put it this way. Put it on the bottom. Need 2 hands for this too. Okay, so we got the mount mounted. Release this, so it moves around. So we got mount mounted. There's only 4 screws. I could put 2 more in there if I want to. Don't have those screws available, so I might get 4 more screws for this. So anyway, that's that one's engaged. Oh, that's loosened off. This is like this when it's engaged. Okay, doesn't seem very sturdy. we have to tighten this nut up a bit. Yeah, tighten that nut up, you'll get it better, it's more sturdier. So yeah, let's take it outside. I thought this would have had like a smooth finish on it. It doesn't. It has a coarse finish on it, which is a bit hard to clean. It's for my liking. So it's rocking. I really like that knife sharpener. So yeah, this is alright for what I need. I could have put that down this end. Damn it. Let's see that. So it's not, yeah, I'm going to move this down this end so it's not in the way of the knives there. Alright, yeah, so I moved that down this end so it's away from these knives here, so you can drop the knives in there. Yeah, perfect. Oh well, that's where it's in the way. So yeah, so okay, so it's mounted. Get these out. Okay, so turn that around. I have to put the phone down. Put the phone down real quick so I can. Alright, so yeah, I got it mounted in one of my rod holders on the back of my boat. Yeah, it's right there. It doesn't have I don't have those little pins that go through these ones. These are Blacktip rod holders too, but there's no pin in the bottom of it that secures this from rotating. So it's like a little bit sort of rotate around. So it's kind of annoying. But anyway, it's alright for a fillet table to fillet some fish on. I was hoping to be able to get my barbecue on there, but I don't think it's going to fit. I was going to make one of these, a custom one of these, but I don't know, starboard's just too expensive to make, to buy. It's something I might think about later on, making a custom one, but we'll see. But yeah, that's the Blacktip 31-inch fillet table. This is SY Sublime. It's a beautiful day today. It's cooled down a lot. So yeah. This is SY Sublime, sandy toes, margaritas, temperate seas, fair winds. More about that next week.